Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'm going to be trying out a new brand of infusible ink transfer sheets. So the guys over at KASYU reached out to me and asked me if I would like to try their brand, and I said, of course, why not? So they did go ahead and send me 2 packages. One package has the sheets that are all solid colors, and then there's a second package which came with different animal prints. So let's go ahead and take these over to the table and see exactly what we got. As I mentioned, in this first package, we have solid colors. All right, and this is going to show us exactly the colors that we're going to receive, and the colors are also written down here. Because as you know, if you've used infusible ink sheets before, the colors are always going to be a bit more muted than it will when you actually sublimate it. But although this yellow is like super duper bright, which is definitely a good thing. So yeah guys, these are all our solid colors. Let's check out the patterns here. All right, so it looks like we have our cheetah print, but we also got some various hues going, some ombre effects going through here. Wow. So all of these, the animal prints, they look like they have a little bit of extra color added in with it. These are shades of different browns. This may be brown and blue. So here's the plan for today. I want to create a matching set. We are going to pick out a sheet of the animal print to sublimate on this notebook here, as well as on this 15-ounce mug. And what I want to do is use, I think, this one here. There's a lot of details going on. There's a lot of different colors. So I think this will look really pretty as a set on our mug and notebook. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are all cut out. Now it's time to weed. Now, one thing I do notice about this particular brand immediately is it is a bit more pliable. So like there's no actually cracking the carrier sheet, because it's definitely has a bit more give and bend to it, which means we should be able to just go in here, grab what we need, and take it on out. We looking good here. It was super duper easy to weed. So let's go ahead and get our mug wrap all taken care of. I'm done weeding, and I'm already loving the colors, and they're muted, so I'm excited to see what they are going to look like when we actually go ahead and sublimate them on. So let's get prepared for that. All right, we are all taped up. Make sure that your tape is completely secure and nothing's moving around either substrate. Now, I did leave a white seam to keep in theme with our mug, because we know this white section is going to be left out. You don't have to do that. That was just a design choice of mine. I'm going to press this 400 degrees, 60 seconds, and then I'm going to put this in the mug press and just let it go. Time to see what we got. You can see a little peeking through already. I'm excited about this because the thing about infusible ink sheets is that they are so deceiving, because the colors are so muted when you pull it out the package. But as long as we have the right pressure, everything sublimates really well and the colors come through super bright. I cannot get this off. Check it out. And the thing I like is it is super clear, so we can totally read what this says. Boss lady. All right. And then the other thing that I like was I really didn't know what colors we were going to get because they were so muted, but I love the little rainbow effect that we're getting there. So that's pretty cool. Let's check out our notebook. Oh, once again, we are nice and vibrant. I might have tore the inside there, but we ain't gonna worry about it because that's not what we focused on. But yeah, guys, our colors are super vibrant. I'm so happy that I chose to leave that edge open because it matches the rest of the book. And like I said, the original inspiration was the line that was gonna go down the back here. So yeah, so far so good. The color pop, I'm feeling it. And we cannot leave the back undone. I had to come through, y'all. I had to come through and do it. So it says, do more of what makes you happy. And yeah, these vibrant colors make me happy. I really love infusible ink sheets because it allows you, I guess, a dip into the world of sublimation without necessarily having the printer and the paper and the ink and all that good stuff. I mean, it's up to your imagination what you can create. This is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you my experience with KASYU Infusible ink sheets, and I'm really happy that they did send me the test pack or the sample pack because I really enjoyed doing this project with you guys, the matching set, and I really enjoyed how the colors are popping and everything came out. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or even entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.